Obviously, when you have a thought in your mind, getting it on paper and then getting it into production, you kind of worry a little bit. But what was so neat, it was to watch these things go up. As soon as they put the doors up, it was 100% the best move I could have made. I got started in Roman Light back in 1997, so I've been here almost 28 years. Growing up with my father, he was in the business, so it was very secondary to me. This is a unique space, but it was missing something. I had tarps, and I would roll them up and down. It didn't give me the appearance or the flexibility I was really looking for. F&L Doors with Pioneer really impressed me in how they worked together so well. They worked around our needs and just kept the restaurant open and flowing. It has upgraded my look. Compliments every day from bar customers, people having events. I think it's going to set me into a different light for people and really help Roman Delight get to that next level where I want to be. I was really impressed with the quality of the doors. It just made my atmosphere back here better, 100% better. Funny story, I went to school with Bob, the owner of Pioneer, so we go way back. His integrity, work ethic, and who he was really important to me. Very professional and a stand-up company. Pioneer, F&L, they work and function as one. You'd be making a great mistake not giving them a call and an opportunity. My name's Carmelo, and I'm an F&L Doors customer.